Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Tires are in good condition. A sports exterior and interior look. Macchiato beige black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging. Open up the liftgate, we got a comfort box for extra storage, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, burl walnut trim, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, dual climate controls, gloss black center console, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E300 has 26,134 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.